Governor, there's light at the end of the tunnel and the light is showing small. November 2022, 844 students who successfully passed their final exams at the Ghana School of Law were called to the bar. 844 students. 2 people were not called because of their inappropriate dressing that on the day of the call. But note that on 1st November 2022, somebody, an anonymous person, filed a report, a complaint against Ama Governor that she shouldn't be called to the bar because of some things that she has been doing which are inappropriate and it goes against the profession. And some videos, the things that she does on YouTube, talking about sex and her being bisexual, her sexual escapades and stuff like that. And because of that, also wearing nose ring and stuff to lectures and stuff like that. And because of that, they didn't call Ama Governor to the bar, even though she passed her bar exams. Now, it's been over a year, and almost a year, yes, it's been almost a year. Even the Chief Justice of Ghana said this just last month. The Chief Justice, watch this video.
And then when somebody has behaved in a certain way, we say we cannot call the person to the bar. I was surprised at the furor that rose up concerning the call to the bar of certain people, and I thought, like, seriously, this is proper conduct for the legal sector? That's interesting. Anyway, so for you to come into our space and to come into the space of the legal sector, your conduct cannot be obscene and offensive, and you expect that you'll be admitted. It doesn't work like that. Your comments on social media, your ex parte communications.
Yes, so this is what the Chief Justice of Ghana said. Now, if the Chief Justice of Ghana should say this, then you should know that all hope is somehow lost. But then there's a Ghana Bar Association annual conference that was held in Cape Coast. And a report has come out. And this report is giving light, like some small hope, that Ama Governor will be called to the bar. I have the full gist. I'm the Headless YouTuber, this Headless Reactions. Alatari, Yanko! In case you are confused and you want to know all the details, who took Ama Governor, what people were saying and everything, I've carefully curated all the videos that I've made concerning this Ama Governor issue. The links are in the description. I've labeled them 1, 2, 3, 4 so that you can follow the story and get a full grasp of whatever is going on with Ama Governor and the Ghana Legal Council. Now, this is a report that came, report of the General Legal Council 2022-2023 legal year at the Ghana Bar Association Annual Conference, Cape Coast. Now, this is what they said. It's a very long report, but this is the part that concerns Ama Governor. They said, however, on 1st November 2022, Council received a complaint of misconduct against one of the students, alleging that the student could be seen on widely circulated videos engaging in conduct unbecoming of an applicant in waiting to be called to the bar. The council therefore constituted a committee to investigate the complaint and submit its report. The committee completed its investigations and submitted a report to the council. After consideration of the report, council decided to permit the student to complete appropriate forms for application to be called to the bar in October-November 2023, and that council will monitor and observe the student's conduct during the time leading up to the submission of the application to be called to the bar. So, per the report that they brought to the council, the committee brought to the council, now they've allowed or they've agreed to allow Ama Governor to fill all the appropriate forms for application so that she can be called to the bar October-November 2023 after 1 whole year. And they are saying that the council will monitor and observe the students. Nature said, if she applies, it's not like automatic, even though she passed her bar exams. And I don't know whether she will have to write her bar exams again. I doubt. But now they are saying that they will monitor her. They will monitor her conduct from your friend saying when she applied, or before she will be called to the bar, that period, they will be monitoring her movements, conduct, and everything. For some time now, Ama Governor has been very relaxed. Nowadays, her YouTube, she hardly, posts videos. And she hardly talks about those things. So I have hope that even the monitoring that they will monitor her, they will not see anything that can disqualify her. Council further decided that should the application to be called to the bar be successful, the students will be required to give special undertaking to be of good behavior and not to repeat any conduct which may bring the profession into disrepute. Hey, nature said, I'm a governor, it will be like all eyes on her. Yes, you call her to the bar. After calling her to the bar, she needs to be prim and proper. She needs to come and sign a bond of good behavior or whatever. That now that she has been called to the bar, anything she does in future, she'll make sure she doesn't do anything that will bring the profession of lawyers into disrepute. Hey. So before she gets called to the bar, you will be monitoring her, seeing whether she will slip up. If she doesn't slip up and she is called to the bar, now you still be monitoring her that she will slip up with a bond. So that when she slips up, you say yes. You signed a bond that you will not do this again, and you've done it. So now you have been disbarred. Is that it? Is that it? Or say undertaking to be of good behavior and not to repeat any conduct which may bring the profession into disrepute while enrolled on the roll of lawyers in Ghana. A letter was therefore written to the students to convey the decisions of council. Nature said Ama Governor has received a letter from council with all these things that are out now. She has received a letter long time. So she knows. So now it's up to Ama Governor to be of good behavior. It's up to Ama Governor to sign the contract or the bond of good behavior, whatever. And it's up to her to live a life that will conform with the Ghana Bar Association's DNA, their rules and regulations or whatever. Hey, we have seen lawyers do certain things in this country. We've seen lawyers fighting. We've seen lawyers lying. We've seen lawyers do a lot of things. So which one are they saying that, which conduct are they saying that Ama Governor should not do? That will bring the profession into disrepute. Isn't they talking about the LGBT thing? Or it's about talking about her sexual preferences and her sexual life? Or it's about wearing the earring and the nose ring and stuff like that? Which is which? Hey. Anyway, this is light at the end of the tunnel. Because at this point it shows that if Ama Governor plays her cards right, she will be called to the bar. She will be a lawyer. And that is the end goal that we've been waiting for all this while. It has delayed 1 year, but yes, delay is not denial. So this is good news, but people are still arguing on social media that what kind of conduct and what kind of thing is she going to sign. Maybe personally I say let all these social media commentators keep their mouth out of this. This is between Ama Governor and the Ghana Legal Council or the General Legal Council. Whatever they will come together and decide on. If Ama Governor thinks she can't live, that kind of lifestyle that they want her to live, or that kind of primness that they want from her, then it means Ama Governor is choosing between talking about her sexuality on social media and all that, or being a lawyer. These are two things. And I think with everything that she has been through, if you are made to choose between being a lawyer and talking about your sexual preferences on social media and talking about the orgies or the sex that you've had with a same-sex, then I think it's clear that you choose being a lawyer. Because all those things, you can do it in your room. If you are doing things with other people in your room, nobody knows unless you come and tell us on YouTube. If you don't tell us, we don't know. There are a lot of people doing a lot of bad things, worse things. There are a lot of people doing things that will make Ama Governor's videos look like child's play. But because they don't come out to come and say it to the world, they are seen as prim and proper. Since they are monitoring you, just keep quiet. Do your normal things that you are doing, living your life right now in the low key. And then conform to whatever they will tell you. Get your bar license and practice law in peace. And I don't know, watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless. Yeah, then. Yapon.